Welcome to today's Rockler demo. Dust collection should be one of your first considerations when you get into woodworking. And whether you've got a big shop or a small shop, chances are you've got a shop vacuum. So today I'm going to show you a bunch of suggestions of how you can get the most out of your shop vacuum. Now, no matter what type or model shop vacuum you have, you want to make sure you keep the filter clean and use internal filter bags if your model has them. Not every shop vacuum has this, but one of the really nice features on this fine Turbo 1 is the auto start. You simply plug your tool into the vacuum and the vacuum will turn on and off when you hit the switch on your power tool. It's a great feature, but if your shop vacuum doesn't have it, you can get the same function from this eye socket auto switch. Next up, I've got an accessory that'll turn your single-stage shop vacuum into a two-stage dust collector. The Dust-Right dust separator connects between your tool and your shop vacuum. The power tool hose connects to the inlet port on the dust separator, and the vacuum hose connects to the outlet. The dust separator creates a cyclonic airflow that causes most wood dust particles and other materials to fall into the dust separator bin before they make it to the vacuum collector or filter. We've also got a harness that connects your shop vacuum to the dust separator, keeping them connected and moving as one stable unit. Now let's move on to a few products that will help eliminate the frustration that can come from your dust hoses, starting with the newest addition to the Dust-Right line. The Dust-Right cord and hose holder gets your power tool cord and hose up off the bench and out of your way. Just clamp it to any work surface up to 3 5/8 inch thick, connect your dust hose to the fitting, and snap your cord into the hook. The support post extends up to 24 inches above your bench. Both ends of the hose coupler will accept the most common and popular hose diameters, and the cord hanger features a carabiner-style latch for a secure hold. Now here's a little fitting that a lot of people might overlook, but it can solve a common frustration. Most of us have wrestled with kinked or coiled hoses. This 2.5 inch swiveling hose adapter for shop vacuums connects a 2.5 inch dust hose to your shop vacuum, and the swiveling action prevents kinked and coiled hoses. It's a simple and inexpensive upgrade that can make a big difference. Speaking of frustrating, how many times have you tried to connect your dust hose to a portable power tool only to find that the connection doesn't fit? The FlexiPort hose kits solve that problem. We've got a fixed length and expanding versions that include interchangeable flexible ports that will fit just about any handheld portable power tool. We've also got a complete line of 2.5 inch diameter fittings and hoses so you can configure a custom setup for all your portable and benchtop tools. This starter kit has all the common fittings to get you going. Keep in mind that shop vacuums don't have enough airflow power to handle long runs. Keep the runs short and use smooth pipe as much as you can. They will keep static pressure up better than ribbed hoses. This mountable dust coupler can be used as part of a larger layout or on its own. Mount it to your workbench or wall to set up an easy connect tool station. This Dust-Right shop vacuum handle makes it quick and easy to attach your dust hose to dust ports and adjust airflow. And finally, if you need more range, this shop vacuum hose reel will hold up to 40 feet of 1.5 inch diameter hose. Just connect your hose to the reel and pull out the hose. No need to drag along your shop vacuum. Whew, I went on a little longer than I had intended, but that should come as no surprise to anyone who knows me. But I'm hoping seeing all of these options shows you the wide variety of innovations we offer for both large dust collectors as well as shop vacuums. And I'm hoping you maybe saw something that could help make your shop vacuum more effective and useful. I'm Dan Carey from Rockler and Woodworker's Journal. Thanks for watching.